Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. One of the most common comments that I get on our channel is somebody saying, I'm 50 plus years old, or I just retired. Is it too late for me to learn how to play guitar? And my answer to that is absolutely not. So today I'm going to give you 10 reasons why it's great to learn guitar after you retire. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free. It helps us out a lot. Reason number 10 is it's fun and it's creative. It's your guitar, it's your time. You can learn any song you want. It can be your favorite song, just a song you've always liked listening to in your car, one that makes you turn up the volume. It doesn't matter, it's yours. You can make your own songs. If you like them, that's all there is to it. It's fun, you'll enjoy it. Number 9 is it's actually a hobby with a pretty low cost compared to a lot of other things that you could be doing when you're retired. It's cheaper than a motorhome, and it's cheaper than playing golf. You can find a good used guitar for $200 or less. You can also buy a very expensive one, but you don't have to. Reason number 8 is it helps with memory and cognitive function. When you sit down and you learn an entire song from beginning to end, and then you can play it along with the original recording from beginning to end, it takes a lot of thought and a lot of memory, and it keeps me focused. I think it keeps anybody focused. Reason number 7 is it improves your motor skills and your coordination with your hands. So anybody that's worked with their hands their whole life probably has finger and hand issues, injuries, arthritis. It could be a lot of things. And it helps keep your fingers very flexible. Reason number 6 is playing guitar is a great stress reliever. If there's a lot going on in your life and you go to your quiet practice space in your home and you sit down and you work on something and it sounds nice, it's a great stress reliever, I think. Reason number 5 is it keeps you busy on days when you don't have anything to do. Some days it's raining, some days it's cold out, some days you just don't have anything to do. And instead of practicing for an hour, you could say practice for 3 hours. You could spend a little extra time on some things that you're having a hard time with. You could learn a new song. Reason number 4 is it's a great way to socialize and meet new people. There are groups on Facebook that are made up of retired people that are learning how to play guitar. You can follow one of those pages. You can get together with some of those people and you can play. You could join a band or just a group of people that like to get together to play. Or in my area, they have what they call open mic nights. An open mic night is a vocal bar with a house band will have a night where people can bring their guitar up and play with the band. They usually have a huge catalog of songs they play. I've gone to a few myself. They've always had songs that I know so that I can play along with the band. If you're uncomfortable with that, go see an open mic night. Don't even take your guitar and just go watch it once and see what you think. They're easy to find. You just Google open mic night near me, and I was able to find 4 or 5 in my area, and I really had a good time. I highly recommend it. My third reason is when you learn a song beginning to end and you've spent some time on it and it really sounds good, you get this sense of accomplishment. And it's a project. It's like painting a painting. You get a really good sense of accomplishment when you finally play it really well the first time. My second reason is you can impress your friends and family with what you can play. When you pull out your guitar and you say, listen to this, and you play something, and they just look at you and go, wow, I I didn't know you could do that. It really feels good. And my number one reason for learning guitar when you're retired is, even though my kids kind of roll their eyes when I play my guitar, my grandkids think I'm a rock star when I can play something and they recognize the song. And that's probably the biggest reward of all. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, and have a great day. Like and subscribe. Thank you.